Alright, I'm going to try this Schlage Primus. This lock has been my white whale this last month or so. I'm cheating a little bit. I've got it backlit. That's so I can watch the finger pins. I'm doing that for two reasons. One is because I just haven't quite developed the feel to do it without looking, but also because I developed my finger pin pick in this chewed up thing, and so the shaft is a little too large in diameter. It's 0.9 millimeters, which is a little too thick, so it works in here, but it's a little snug, so it helps be able to see what I'm doing. Anyway, I have not pinned this one progressively, but I do know the bitting. It came to me 0 bitted. I didn't know that till I picked it and got really excited. That was this morning, and so I repinned it myself. The bitting is 358162, so it's challenging. And then I took the finger pins out of that key and knob and threw those in here. Just scrambled them up. I don't know their order. I'm picking it counterclockwise because I tried to go clockwise for a while and just kept oversetting number 3. Couldn't get to that one pin behind it in position 4. But I got it open counterclockwise. Binding order is a little more forgiving this way. I don't know the binding order though. Okay, I'm gonna stop blabbing and pick this thing. Try the DeForest diamond. Okay. Nope, that felt overset. To pin 1. No. 2 springy. Okay, that's one I didn't set before. That was number 4. Oh, overset that one. Try the gem. It's a little easier to get this first one. Which I don't think needed to be set. Springy. Okay, that felt overset like crazy. One thing about this lock, I'm getting better at recovering from oversets. Where are you? Okay, let me try hook number 5. Get these back ones. Ooh, the hell was that? I think that might have been progress. We're going to call that progress. Gotta be just one pin away at this point. It's number 1. Or we've got a partial in the back somewhere. That feels a little springy. That's not good. Let it go. Got wedged in there somewhere. There, we got a little core rotation. Jeez. Okay, fingerpin 2's binding. Now it's jiggly. 1's binding a little bit. Big fat slip. And go over set 3. Just force it down. Okay, start over. 1 is loose, 2 is loose, 3 is binding. Okay, set 3, 2, 3, 4. That's a good one. 4 is set. Last one. No, we got one hiding somewhere. Who's hiding? Okay, this should... Boom! Feel pretty good about that. Okay. Piece of tape I was using to stop from blinding myself with that flashlight. I'm going to be smart this time. Shim the finger pins. That is a really tight fit. Those are... No, that's not the right spot. They're over here. Okay. No, my shim is stuck. My brilliant plan. Okay, I don't care about the finger pin order, so I'm just going to drop them all. Actually, I don't care about any order at all, since I don't have a key. Finger pin springs. I mean sidebar. Okay. These are all the same. Do it the lazy way. Okay. We'll take a closer look at the sidebar. Okay, there we go.